In a small village nestled between the mountains, 10-year-old Leo and his best friend Kira were known for their boundless curiosity. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the outskirts of the forest, they found an old dusty map tucked inside a hollow tree. On the map was a big red X, marked deep within the Forbidden Grove, a place no one in the village dared to go. Treasure, Leo whispered, his eyes sparkling. Or trouble, Kira warned, though a grin tugged at her lips. Still, her sense of adventure got the best of her. Let's check it out. Armed with their wits, a flashlight, and Leo's trusty wooden sword, they set off toward the grove. The forest grew darker and thicker with each step, the gnarled branches overhead twisting like clawed fingers. A mysterious breeze seemed to guide them as they followed the map's winding path. Do you think anyone else has tried to find this treasure? Kira asked, stepping over a moss-covered log. Not with us around, Leo replied confidently. We've got the best team ever. Just as the red X grew closer on the map, the ground began to rumble. Suddenly, a huge stone guardian sprang to life in front of them. Who dares trespass in the grove? It roared. Leo tightened his grip on his wooden sword. We mean no harm. We're just, explorers. The guardian tilted its head, its glowing eyes narrowing. Only the brave and wise may pass. You must prove your worth. We can do that, Leo said, puffing out his chest. Kira, ever the smart one, gave him a quick nudge. The guardian raised a giant stone hand, revealing 3 rope bridges swaying in the wind. Choose one, it rumbled, but beware, only one will lead to the treasure. Leo and Kira huddled together, examining the bridges. One looked sturdy but was covered in slippery moss. The second had missing planks, while the third seemed flimsy but had guiding ropes. It's got to be the third one, Kira said. The ropes will keep us balanced. I trust you, said Leo. Together they carefully stepped onto the third bridge. It creaked and groaned, but they made it safely across. As they reached the other side, the guardian let out a deep chuckle and disappeared. Before them was a gleaming golden chest glowing with light. Inside they found not gold, but a crystal amulet that made the forest come alive with sparkling colors. Birds sang, flowers bloomed, and sunlight pierced the darkness. It's beautiful, Kira said. And we found it together, Leo grinned. They returned to the village as heroes, the amulet shining bright, and for the first time, the Forbidden Grove wasn't so forbidden anymore.